Aloha, everybody. I'm Kamasami Khan. And today, I'd like to introduce you to some of the great hit songs from the movie Big Wave. Starting with this one by Yamashita Tatsuro, theme from Big Wave.
Out there in the ocean, that's my silhouette. Out there waiting where the mountains move. I'm all alone, but I'm at home, living with nothing left to prove. We got summer right here in our hearts, and we move with the tide. We just float in the sun till the big wave comes, then we ride, ride, ride. Looking for the pieces of a shattered dream, running out of places to be free. Nowhere to go, I only know I hear the thunder calling me. We got summer right here in our hearts, and we move with the tide. We just float in the sun till the big wave comes, then we ride, ride, ride.
This is the theme from Big Wave by Tatsuro Yamashita. Speaking of big waves, check out the guy in the tube of this big Hawaiian wave.
Jordy, I'm crying again. I'm walking alone on the sand. The sound of the sea brings you back to me, oh so clearly. Feels like you're holding my hand. Jordy, there's no one to blame when young hearts get burned by love's flame. The love that we made was a game that you played till it faded, but I still feel the same.
This is Jody, another great song from the surf movie Big Wave. This is an English version of his hit Kanashimi no Jody, a song from his album titled Melodies. About this song, Tatsuro said, since there were already Japanese lyrics, Alan O'Day read the translated version and rewrote it, leaving the original essence. But Tatsuro reaches deep into his soul to pull out the word Jody.
Jordy, we have been so fast, like summer, never thought it would not
This is a song that was written originally and specifically for the movie Big Wave. It's a typical Tatsuro Yamashita early 80s style song. About this song, Tatsuro said, when I knew I was going to have English lyrics, I tend to write songs that sound like this. The magic ways of Tatsuro.
The way you whisper in my ear, make my troubles disappear. It's magic. The way your little fingertips make my heart do double flips. It's magic. And when you smile at me that way, you can warm the coldest day. It's magic. It's magic, magic. And even when you're gone, I find I hear you laughing in my mind. It's magic. It's magic. And all I have to do is think of you to make the music start to play. Then I dance down the street, and the people I meet stop and say, hey, hey, magic ways, my friend. You love the girl with magic ways, and it's true. I might as well give in. You cast a spell on all my nights and days with your sweet magic ways.
Oh yeah, the magic of Tatsuro Yamashita. Oh, this is one of my all-time favorite songs from the movie Big Wave. So romantic, especially the lyrics when he sings, "Slow motion kiss, it never felt like this." Once again, Tatsuro, ready for a late night rendezvous only with you.
A promise, a late night rendezvous, a secret, a time for just us two, for dancing to the radio, or just watching the fire glow. Slow motion kiss, it never felt like this. It's like we're on an island, a place to call our own. I shiver from thrills I've never known, and when this magic night is gone, in my heart it will linger on, only with one love, only with you.
You know, there are lots of romantic songs in this movie, Big Wave. Stay tuned, because we have another great romantic song for you right now, dedicated to you especially if you are in love.
I love your gentle nature, and your skin so soft and warm. But I know you're tough enough to make it through the storm.